Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to promote Shopee affiliate on TikTok. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so here are the 5-step instructions for doing it. So the first step is to create engaging content. So produce short attention-grabbing videos that showcase the Shopee products or deals that you're promoting. So focus on creating fun, entertaining content that aligns with TikTok's style and trends. This could include product unboxings, hauls, tutorials, or creative skits. The second step is to leverage relevant hashtags. So research and use relevant hashtags related to your Shopee product. The third step is to collaborate with other influencers in your niche. So reach out to TikTok influencers with your niche and partner with them to promote your Shopee affiliate product. The fourth step is you can run ads. So you can run targeted ads. So utilize TikTok's advertising platform to run targeted ads showcasing your Shopee affiliate product and deals. The fifth step is to analyze and optimize. So regularly check the performance of your TikTok content and see what works and see how your advertising efforts are paying off. So yeah guys, this is how you effectively do it. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.